Hi, I'm April, and here's your tax fact. Ever hear the term quarterlies bandied about by your accountant and maybe some of your friends and wonder what it is? Do you think there's something that you have to do that you're not aware of? Well, quarterlies are just estimated tax payments that you make throughout the year, yes, every quarter, hence the name, that help you prepay the tax if you're going to owe too much at the end of the year. The IRS generally wants you to pay the tax ahead of time, or they might penalize you. For federal tax returns, if you owe the government more than $1,000, you may be charged interest and penalties. To prevent that from happening, you just need to pay at least 100% and in some cases 105% of your prior year's tax bill. Then it won't matter how much you owe at the end of the year. You could owe $100,000 and not pay any interest and penalties. But check with your tax preparer who can help you calculate what's called your safe harbor amount. So there's several situations where you could end up having to pay quarterlies. One of those quarterly events would be being self-employed, selling a stock at a sizable gain, having high interest or dividend income, and sometimes if you have multiple jobs, you may not have enough tax withholding. But before you decide to pay quarterlies yourself, you may already have an opportunity to have the federal taxes withheld from your employer. So a simple way to do that would just be to refile your W-4 at work and have more taxes withheld. Again, a tax preparer can help you calculate how much more you should withhold. If you don't have an employer who can take care of the additional withholding tax, then you'll want to pay the quarterly estimates using the IRS Form 1040-ES, which you can download from the IRS website. It's pretty easy. Finally, you'll want to know when to make the quarterly payments. They're due by April 15th, June 15th, September 15th of the same year, with the fourth quarter payment due January 15th of the following year. So there you have it, an explanation of what quarterlies are and how to pay them and when they're due. I'm April, and this has been your friendly tax fact brought to you from Ambrozy Accounting.